Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with AT&T, complete guide step by step clearly. To invest with AT&T, begin by researching the company to understand its business model and financial health. Visit financial news websites and use investor resources to gather up-to-date information. Next, open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a reputable brokerage that offers access to AT&T stock. Ensure the brokerage provides a user-friendly interface and good customer support. After setting up your account, deposit funds to facilitate your investment. Decide how many shares of AT&T you want to purchase based on your investment goals. Use the brokerage's platform to search for AT&T's stock ticker, which is T. Review the current stock price and market trends before placing your order. Select the type of order you want to place, such as a market order or limit order. A market order buys shares at the current market price. A limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy. Confirm your order details before finalizing the purchase. Monitor your investment regularly to track AT&T's performance. Stay informed about any news or changes in the telecommunications industry that could affect the stock. Consider setting investment goals and timelines to evaluate your performance periodically. Be prepared to adjust your strategy based on market conditions and personal financial goals. Diversify your portfolio to mitigate risks associated with investing in a single stock. Overall, investing in AT&T can be a solid addition to your financial strategy if you approach it with careful planning and research. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.